Want to refresh your iPhone with live wallpapers? To begin, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down the displayed list and then tap the wallpaper option. Now, simply tap on the Add New Wallpaper option presented. At the very top of the screen, tap on the Live Photo option. Then, select All Photos to see all available live wallpapers. From the collection, choose the specific photo you like best for your background. Before proceeding, ensure the Live Photo option is correctly turned on. In the top right corner, tap ADD and then confirm your choice to apply. Finally, select Set as Wallpaper Pair to finish the setup process. Afterward, return to the home screen on your device. Lastly, lock your screen to immediately enjoy the new dynamic visual look. Subscribe for more handy iPhone tips.